Care and Repair helps older people throughout Wales to maintain, adapt and secure their properties to ensure they're as independent as possible and they can remain at home for as long as possible. Our technical officers are there to support clients whilst works are being completed on their properties. This also allows us to have a relationship with the contractors to ensure that the work is done to quality of service and to ensure that the work is maintained within the budget set, either by the client through grant aid funding or through benevolent funding. Every year we hear of older people who have a knock on the door from a cowboy builder offering to do works for a very low amount of money. Our service is there to protect people from having to go through issues like this, which end up that they can't get the contractors or the builders back to their property. I'd encourage any older person throughout Wales who requires any assistance for works or adaptations to their property to contact Care and Repair. Our telephone number is a national number, it's 0300 111 3333.